Hello everyone and welcome to OpenBI. I am Rima here. I am going to show you insurance dashboard. After login in the OpenBI, click on the hamburger menu and select the dashboard. Here you can see the list of available dashboard. In that, select the insurance dashboard and open it. Some of the features of dashboard are explained there in a detail like overview, insurance and detailed data. This dashboard is available on the marketplace. You can download from there, and if you wish how to download the dashboard from OpenBI marketplace, the link is provided in the description. Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which individual or entity receive financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. There are many types of insurance policy like life, health, auto. Click on the insurance tab. There are total 3 KPI, key performance indicator, 5 widgets and 3 filters used in insurance tab. Insurance company display the total insurance company, total file, types of coverages. There are 52 types of coverages. This widget indicates the top 10 insurance company by its coverage type. For example, United Health Insurance Company have total 24 different type of coverages. Anthem Health Plans provide 24 types of coverages. The topmost insurance company by its coverage type. Status of insurance. There are 4 status of insurance. Insurance status like open, close, reopen and do not purge. Claim reason. In claim reason, it displays the different type of reason for its claim, like unfair claim practice, premium and rating, underwriting, marketing and sales. This different type of reason for claim. Total claim by coverage type. This widget, it displays the coverage type by its total claim. For example, auto liability, it has 2040 claim. Exchange, commercial, multi-peril, auto-medical payment, this different type of coverage type. The total claim received by coverage type. So you can see that auto liability coverage type received 2044 claim. Insurance company by recovery rate. This widget gives information about insurance company by its recovery rate. So recovery rate is in percentage. So you can see that American Commerce Insurance Company has recovery rate of 68%. Here you can see the all company recovery rate. There are 3 filters used in insurance tab. Open, month and year. It displays the claim opening year and month, closing month and year, and status. Status display the claim is in which state, open, close, reopen or do not purge. If you want to see open insurance claim details, so click open. So it gives all the information of open claim by its company name, status, reason, coverage type and insurance company by recovery rate. Click on clear filter. Go to the detailed data. In detailed data, there are 5 filters used. Open, year and month. It displays the claim opening month and year, closed year and month of claim, coverage, different type of coverages like tenant, homeowners, auto, group health, homeowners, general liability, individual health, accident and healthcare. Status. It displays the status of insurance claim, close, open, reopen or do not purge. And in company filter, it displays the list of insurance company name. In detailed data, it gives all the information of the insurance claim like insurance company name, file number, open month and year, close month and year, status, coverage, reason, sub-coverage, sub-reason, disposition, conclusion and recovery rate of insurance company. If you want company-wise insurance claim, so click on that company. Here I am selecting Anthem Health Plans. So select It gives Anthem Health Plan insurance claim detail. And if you want status wise insurance, so here I'm selecting open. So it gives information open status of Anthem Health Plan insurance company. That's all about insurance dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.